Crystal, Melina, and I went down to Kobey swap meet. Friday mornings are the mornings to go if you like junk. I am headed into Kobey's and we're looking for some more stuff. Crystal is here. Should be a fun day. I'm at Kobey's again. Another round of junk. It's my favorite day to shop. That's the day when all of the junky junk garage sale bargains are happening. She's here! It's Crystal! You already got some things. What did you get? Ooh, cute.
We filled up our car with good junk and headed back to Encinitas.
I filled up my car. I am going to show you what I got, and I'm going to take 3 things out of my pile and turn it into a quick flip. And so we're going to start with this. This right here is just a drawer from a dresser. I got this for $5. Sometimes dressers fall apart, sometimes they get left out in the rain, and the drawers are still good even though the dresser may not be good. Don't throw the drawers away because this is going to be a perfect toolbox. I had my dad put some wheels on the bottom.
Is there going to be stuff inside of this?
Yeah, that's why I want you to put wheels on it, because it's going to be a storage rollout bin. I'm gonna paint this and I'm gonna doll up the inside with some decoupage paper. It's gonna wheel in and out under our cabinet, and I'm gonna store my drill guns, my sander, and all those big heavy things that I don't like rifling through the tool bag for.
We're using Bohemian Blue in DIY paint and giving it 2 coats to the base. Because decoupage paper is transparent, we first applied White Swan in DIY paint to the side of this so that when decoupage paper is applied, it would pop. After the paint is dry, you will put a coat of liquid patina on before applying the decoupage paper. A tip that we learned from Vintage Retail Therapy by Mara is to take a small brush and dip it in water and apply it to the edges to easily cut the decoupage paper.
Crystal, what are you doing?
This morning we picked this up at Kobey's for $10. And we don't really need a fixture. We're just gonna take these thingamadingies.
Oh, you're gonna get electrocuted.
I am, but this is what I do for DIY. Chop, chop. We'll just hang our aprons, we'll mount it. And I'm gonna paint it with this fun color. I've actually never used it before, Gypsy Green.
We use DIY paint products in a combination of Gypsy Green and Shipwrecked wax.
We started to use a wing screw and found a piece of wood behind. We're going to use a long screw.
I said I'm feeling good, yeah. Nothing can change this mood. You can have the same thing too, yeah.
You know when you go to Home Goods and you see these 2-tiered trays, they're usually $20, $30, $40. I love them, but I don't like the price. We're gonna make our own today. I got all of these silver trays. When I got up to the counter, I discovered that they were half off. This one was marked $7, but it was $3.50. But what we're gonna do is this. Sell these on my website. Zeb and Jamie make them. They're big chunky candle holders. Super easy. All we need to do is paint this.
To get these big, chunky, fun, handmade candlesticks, to create your own version of this or something else, head over to DIYGoGo.com.
one's gonna go like this. I'm gonna have my dad screw it in. We're gonna take this old table leg and we're gonna cut it down to like 4 inches. And then we're gonna screw the smaller tray. It's gonna go on top and it's gonna look like the 2-tiered trays, but it's gonna be way more chunky and unique.
Easy, so tell me, have you ever met a boss? Have you ever met a boss? Ladies, if you met a man this slick and he tryna play those tricks,
Screw it together and voila, we have a 2-tiered tray. Way better than Home Goods for a lot less money.
boss lady, tell him I'm a boss lady. Ooh, 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 you tell him I'm a boss lady. Tell him I'm a boss lady. Ooh, 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 you tell him that it's very nice to meet ya. Bless your little sweetheart, you can never handle
After it was finished, Debbie didn't like it, so she made Grandpa go to Home Depot and get a new screw so that none of the screws would show and it would look way prettier. Grandpa was not happy.
I'm the boss lady, get paid. My name is the boss
Done.
lady. Ooh, 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 you tell him I'm a boss